And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest 1 over 144 high grade, which from Mercury Gundam Aerial Rebuild. Yes, so this is Gundam Aerial Rebuild, which was teased in the last episode of the first season. So, first up in the box art, we see here Gundam Air Rebuilt firing up his huge cannon like what it did in the last episode of the first season. Now, off to the sides, we can see here some details about Gundam Air Rebuild. And off to the other side, we see Gundam Aerial Rebuild front and back, and of course, some information as to Little Mercury, and of course, information about the anime. So let's open and see what's inside the box. So first off, it has one bag, which has 4 runners. So one runner is all yellow, one all dark blue, one multicolored, and one special runner, just like what it had during the aerial. And it has a second bag with, again, 4 runners, one effect part for the beam sabers, clear blue, 2 whites, and lots of gray. And lastly, we have here the instruction manual. Again, the same instruction manual style from the aerial, from the leaflet to the aerial to the Farak to this one. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. First up, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. It has the green, it has red, green. This might be for the face or for the head. Some red here again, some for the head. Clear blue, no, not blue, clear smoked parts here for the rest of the body. And this looks like the giant gun or the giant cannon that she used. So that is the A sprue. It also has a B sprue, which is more parts for the frame, more parts, parts for the frame, some manipulators here, and some for the gun bits. It also has a C1, which is all white. So most of the armor of Area Rebuilt is white, and this is where it got it. And some parts here for, again, the gun bits. It also has a C2, again, still more white parts and white armor parts for the Area Rebuild. And then it has a B sprue, which is all dark blue, the new color for Gundam Aerial Rebuild. So that's the D sprue. It also has an E sprue, which is all yellow. Still some parts of the Gundam Aerial Rebuild is yellow, same like with the Aerial. And then we have the beam saber effects part, which is clear blue. And of course the special sprue here, which is a clear sprue with already some printed designs on it, same like with the Aerial. And it also comes with some sticker sheet, unlike the Aerial wherein, the back was silver and all of these designs was inside of it or in the sticky part. This one is the opposite way around, but this is the sticker sheet that is included in the box. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1 over 144 high grade Witch from Mercury Gundam Aerial Rebuild. And yes, it is almost near. It's going to be this Sunday, April 9th, wherein we are going to see the first episode of the second season of Witch from Mercury. So are you guys excited? I am excited. So again, please If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, hitting that notification bell, sharing the videos, and this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.